Let's solve a vector problem where we need to find the magnitude and direction of a vector given its x and y components. Here's our problem. If the x component of vector v is 7.80 units and the y component is negative 6.40 units, what is the magnitude and direction of vector v? Let's start by drawing this vector on a coordinate system. Here are our x and y axes. Now we can plot our vector starting at the origin. The x component is 7.80 units to the right, and the y component is 6.40 units down. To find the magnitude of vector v, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. The magnitude equals the square root of the sum of the squares of its components. So that's the square root of 7.80 squared plus negative 6.40 squared. 7.80 squared is 60.84, and negative 6.40 squared is 40.96. Adding these together gives us 101.80. Taking the square root, we get approximately 10.09 units. Now for the direction. The angle theta that the vector makes with the positive x-axis can be found using the inverse tangent of the y component divided by the x component. That's theta equals inverse tangent of negative 6.40 divided by 7.80. Negative 6.40 divided by 7.80 equals negative 0.8205. Taking the inverse tangent of this gives us negative 39.0 degrees. The negative angle indicates that our vector is below the x-axis in the fourth quadrant. So our final answer is vector v has a magnitude of 10.09 units and points at an angle of negative 39.0 degrees from the positive x-axis.